Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. Now it seems like Zero Tolerance is always discontinuing some of their coolest models. So if you love the ZT920 by Les George, then you're going to want to take advantage of our closeout deal. While supplies last, you can get this amazing knife for only $179.95. Let's check it out. Les George continues to be one of the hottest knife designers out there, and the 920 is just one in a string of great ZT Les George models, but it's one of the most distinctive for sure, and it reads like a greatest hits of ZT's frame lock flipper design language. The handles are made from 3D machined titanium, and it has a nice gentle radius that really feels the hand and is quite comfortable. It's got these subtle grooves on it, and it adds some traction, especially forwards and backwards, but it's not enough to actually cause any hot spots while you're using it. For deployment, this knife rides on a KVT bearing pivot, and it has a large flipper tab that forms a nice prominent finger guard when the blade is opened. And that action, while unassisted, is phenomenal, and it's very easy to actuate this large blade. That blade has a distinctive shape. It is a clip point, but it's very Les George. We get CPM 20 CV blade steel for a truly premium cutting experience. And it's got phenomenal edge retention that'll have you hitting your stones far less often. We've got a little bit of recurve to the edge back here at the heel, and it adds a little bit extra sharpened edge, but a whole lot of extra sex appeal. We've also got a very finely patterned stonewashed finish on the blade. It looks great, and I think it pairs really well with the matte finish on the frame. The frame lock on this knife holds the blade secure with no play, and the combination steel lock bar insert and internal over-travel arrestor ensures that you've got plenty of life with the 920, especially if you like to compulsively flip the knife. And you're certainly going to want to do that with the 920 because the action is great. To break up the overall gray aesthetic, we get some accenting black hardware, including this large pivot. We also get hints of brass, not just on the reversible titanium pocket clip, but also on the barrel spacers. This reveals the open-backed construction of the 920. It makes it easier to keep things clean. Usually you can just blow dust out, but if it really gets messy, you can even rinse it out under a faucet. The ZT920 is American made with pride, and you can really tell. This is a knife that's built to be handed down after a lifetime of use, but it's beautiful enough to earn a place in your collection all on its own. If you want to get your hands on one, don't wait, because once our supply of these is gone, they're gone for good. Click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com.